Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to install this Ring plug-in mount for a floodlight camera. So here I have my Ring floodlight camera. This is the bracket that comes with that. Here's everything that comes in the box that we're going to be installing. So typically if you wanted to install a floodlight, you might have an electrical box on your house that has the wiring coming in, and that's how this one is wired here. It already has the wires coming in from the house. But if you don't have an electrical box, we can install one and run a cord down and plug it in ourselves. Now this is for the Floodlight Plus and the Pro, it works the same. But so you can see we need to hardwire these wires into electricity. And that's what this mount's going to do. Again, I can just mount this onto the wall. I don't need an electrical box, but I do have to be able to run this cord down and plug it in. So we're gonna mount this to the wall. And how we mount that to the wall is first we gotta mount this bracket. This bracket mounts to your house. And then this is going to snap into it. Okay, so it does come with 2 screws. Let's mount this plate. Now it gives you all kinds of different holes that you can choose from. And this bracket is exactly 5 1/8 inches wide. The screws range from about 3 inches to about 3 3/4 inches, but all different locations. You definitely want to get these nice and secure. This light is a little, not heavy, but it does have some weight to it. Now be sure you got the arrow up and it's level, because that's going to be important so that your light is level. Now the cord is 20 feet long. Now don't plug it in until we're all done. Leave it unplugged, but it is 20 feet long. That's really nice. Again, this has got like a seal there. So again, we're going to put this in. You got to start off to the side. And then you're going to rotate it. Now you want to make sure and rotate it till it clicks. That means it's very nice and secure now. Now it does come with this little S-hook. Put the S-hook in the strap. You can hook it here. And now we've got the wire nuts. Now we're going to connect black to black. Now you're going to put the wires together, twist them, hold them, and then twist the wire nut on until it stops. You want this connection nice and secure. Then you're going to do the white one and then the green one. Okay, we've got the wire connections. Now we got to take this S-hook off. And now you're going to have to have your little nuts ready to go and this nut drive. This tool comes in the kit, but take the screwdriver off, and that's the exact size of these little nuts that we're going to screw on. So have that ready to go. Now you want to tuck that lanyard. You want to tuck all of this in there, and then these are going to stick out. So just kind of fish them in there. You got to find where they're going to come through. There. Now you do have to kind of push it on a little bit. All right, now it's installed. While I'm holding it, put these little nuts on. And again, this tool works great. Tighten each one down. It even kind of holds it too. All right. Make sure there's none of the wires were in the way when you push that on. Nothing's getting pinched. It looks really nice. You're not forcing the screws. They're going on nice and easy. Now you want to tighten these down till they just about stop. There. And now all I got to do is plug this in. I like that it has a 90-degree also. And just plug it in. And now my Ring has power. And now when it senses motion, the camera has power. There is no battery in this one. It's hardwired now. It's going to get its power from your house. The lights are going to come on whenever it senses motion. It's going to record. It has a built-in siren, 2-way speaker. So this is just a great way. If you don't have an electrical panel or electrical box already installed in your house with the wiring, sometimes that can be really hard to do if it's not there. This is just a great way to install it. Again, this is all weatherproof now that I have it installed, but you will have to find a kind of weatherproof plug to plug that into. Now it did not come with any wire clamps. It came with the tool, the S-hook, the wire nuts, the screws to mount that, and then some little nuts. Now this is the mount that comes with the light. You will not be using this. This is for the case when you have an electrical box, you put this on first, and then you screw this to that, but you have to have that electrical box in order to use this mount. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.